are going to love the 2018 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. The SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, navigation package, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, active suspension system, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, compass, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.